Dollar Tree is easily my favorite place to shop anytime I want to do a DIY. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a couple super fun Dollar Tree fall DIYs on a budget. Hey, I'm Lindsay with Organized to Save, and I'm here to help you get organized and be more productive with budget-friendly tips and talk a little DIY. Fall is my absolute favorite season of all, and Dollar Tree is one of my favorite stores of all. So let's go ahead and check out to see how I shopped at the Dollar Tree and created some awesome budget-friendly fall DIYs. When decorating a space, I like to choose one focal point in the room to focus on. And in our living room, I love to decorate our mantle. I pulled out all of my pumpkins that I've collected over the years, most of them mainly from the Dollar Tree and a couple from Target, and simply just arranged them on the mantle in color coordinated order and threw in a couple Dollar Tree greenery sprigs. Now, a super fun DIY that I even got my daughter Ellie involved in was to create a wooden bead strand. I've done this DIY before in my office, but I did this one on a very large scale. So all that I did was I grabbed a pack of the wooden beads from the Dollar Tree, simply just strung them along. And then once they were all together, I just went ahead and took some craft paint and painted over them just to have a nice neutral color. Now you could obviously spray paint these if you want, or leave them super colorful. I wanted a neutral look to blend in with the fall decor. And I just strung them across the fireplace, and I absolutely love how this turned out. I added a couple other touches to the bookcase in our living room, just with a couple different greeneries and pumpkins that I had on hand. You do not have to do anything super crazy to upgrade the current look that you already have in a space. Just switch out a couple little greenery things or add in those cute little pumpkins, and now you have a super cute fall bookshelf. Next DIY, you're going to need 2 bath rugs from the Dollar Tree. What we're going to be doing is actually creating a pillowcase. Now for this, I wanted to do this as a no-sew project. So all that I did was grab my trusty hot glue gun and went ahead and hot glued all of the seams of the pillowcase minus one end, so that way I could add this awesome Velcro strip from the Dollar Tree again. Simply just hot glued that on, and then that way I can slip the pillow in and out if I want to change it up or if something spills on the pillowcase and I need to clean it. Now this is obviously a DIY that you can use year round, but I absolutely love how it blends in with the neutral colors that I'm using in my fall decor this year. This looks like a pillow that I paid a lot of money for, and it literally cost me $3 between the 2 rug mats and the strip of the Velcro. I love the texture that it has, and it really helps tie in all of my fall decor. If you're liking these DIYs so far, please give this video a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any other Dollar Tree videos. I really like making custom wreaths, and at the Dollar Tree they had actually this 2-pack of these smaller wreaths along with these adorable little pumpkins. Now I just took the wire out of the pumpkins that they had and simply proceeded to hot glue them to the metal wreath. I kind of went in a random pattern. I'm actually going to be filling in the rest of the leaf with some moss again from the Dollar Tree. All that I did to attach the moss was just grabbed some of the green moss, kind of bunched it up and hot glued it into place. To finish this off, I used one of the thankful metal signs, again from the Dollar Tree, and a really cute ribbon. Now this is displayed in our dining room at our little coffee station, and I love the extra little fall vibe. I'm also using those cute little pumpkins to make a fun sign by our front door. All that I did was I took the little base off of this pumpkin and then pulled out some wood contact paper to cover this existing sign with. I absolutely love using contact paper. It's such an easy way to upgrade something on a dime. Next, I hot glued on the pumpkin sign, and then I grabbed one of those metal signs as well. This one just says welcome, as it's going to be right by our front door. And then simply hot glued on the pumpkins at the very bottom of the sign. I love how this is, again, super neutral, but so fun, and it works perfectly in our little hall tree right by the front door. Now when people enter into our house, they're going to be welcomed with this adorable fall sign. I absolutely love decorating for the different holiday seasons, but I do not like to spend a ton of money. So all of these super affordable Dollar Tree DIYs really helped bring together my fall decor this year. And a lot of them I'm actually going to be able to transition and use throughout the entire year, not just during one season. This mantle is so beautiful, and I love how the wooden beads just tie it all together. If you're looking for more budget-friendly ways in order to make over your space, make sure to check out the playlist on your screen right now, and we'll see you over there.